Hey, it's Evan from Octane Electrons. We are going to check out the P1s-R RGB switch panel from MICTUNIng, M-I-C tuning. And, geez, sorry, my hands are dirty. Been working on a bike over there. So this is the 6 switch panel version. And here's the box. Let's see, yeah, 6 gang version. Control 6 or 8. Lights or devices, different backlight colors, different control modes, different backlight brightness. Pretty cool. So we're going to check it out here. I will eventually be using this on my Jeep Gladiator, I think. But I don't think I'm going to have any time to install it soon. So we're just going to check it out and see how it controls stuff. Then I'm going to kind of plan how I'm going to use it. Okay, open it up and look. We've got a user manual. Comes with a bunch of cool stickers. Always appreciate that. Right on. Okay. Cool stickers. Okay, and then certificate of inspection. And then comes with tons of switch stickers to label your switches. And they're nice. They're not like a cheap sticker. They're like thick plastic. And they look really nice and they feel good too. So I'm impressed with that. That'll let you customize the switch housing. Okay, let's take a look at this thing here. Go ahead and remove this. So here's the switch housing. Right off the bat, this is really nice quality. Like, I was impressed right away. I'd already opened it for a second to look at it, but I haven't taken it out of the box yet. The buttons feel great. So hopefully you can see that. They are really tactile and clicky, which I like a lot. And same with the power, brightness, RGB buttons. Great feel. Then the housing itself is aluminum and it just feels great. It's like, it's not too heavy, but it's got some weight to it. So I figured it'd be plastic, but it's not. Maybe the backing is. But the housing itself is aluminum. It feels really nice. So this is cool. Already I'm super impressed. Long cable here from the switch box that would plug into the controller. And let's take a look here at the rest of it. So this is not wireless, just a heads up. Let me remove the panel here. This one is wired from the controller to the relay box. So nice cover, clips in place well. And really thick plastic housing. This is well done. Thick wiring inside to the junction block. I like that. Everything has its own indicator LED, separate fuse, large relays, nicely bundled wire, good connection, screw terminals there, very cool. And then nice long harness, connection there to the battery. So very cool. And then there's some mounting brackets, mounting hardware, adhesive to mount the display in place, comes with zip ties, so just about everything you need. So let me grab a battery and some cables and a light and stuff, and we're going to hook it up here and demo it. And like I said, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to power this or how I'm going to use it yet in the car or in the Jeep, but that's my plan. I haven't added any lights yet, but this is going to control it when I do. So be right back. Let me grab some stuff here. Okay, got it hooked up here so we can demo it. So check this out. We've got a battery over here. We have our switch box connected, which is really simple. You have your harness here. You got a large connection for battery positive that carries all the current for your relays. And then as far as powering the device goes, that's just to power your loads. Power your device is just a single hot wire, red, and a single ground wire, black. So I have it attached to the battery. Okay, then I have a couple lights hooked up as my sources here to demo it. A couple old Harley turn signals and an old LED headlight. So they're all hooked up, all grounded back to the battery, and then the hot side of each one is going to one of the terminals. So I've got a turn signal, and then the headlight. So they're all run to one of the outputs from the relay. So let's check out how it works. So I'm going to hit the power button. You can see one tap, it'll turn on. And let's check out how the controls here work. They're pretty simple. So you have 4 brightness levels, or I guess 5. One's really dim, so that's lowest. And there's all your different brightness settings. And then RGB will change the backlight color. So you can just tap it to cycle through them. Bunch of different options. So there's probably a little easier to see on white. So 5 brightness settings. All of them pretty visible, and then a bunch of different color choices to cycle through. One tap turns on and off the switch panel. Okay, so I have all my loads hooked up to the bottom 3. So you can see, if I turn these off, everything's off right now. Now watch as I turn on through these. You get a red LED indicator there to show you which channel's on, and you can see the fuses are already preloaded. So you got a 5, 2 10s, 2 20s, and a 30. And I'm assuming the relays are all the same, but you can fuse them separately for different circuits, so that's pretty nice. And it just uses standard mini blade fuses. And then let's turn on the loads. Here, let me change the color so it's easier to see. Okay, so there's green backlighting. Sorry, one sec. Okay, green backlighting, and we'll put it kind of dim. So red light here tells you if the channel's on or off. Okay, and then here's the ones I have loads hooked up to. So there's my channel for the headlight. And here's my channel for the blinkers. Turn off those 3 I'm not using. Very cool. Works perfectly. Very nice switch box. Looks like you have plenty of wire length here to run your controller, certainly from inside the cab up to the engine bay somewhere on just about any vehicle. That wouldn't be a problem. You have the nice waterproof screw locking connector for the display, so that can't come loose. Really nice relay switch box. I like the harness setup, is great. They used really large diameter cable to power all the loads, and then 2 simple small wires for your power connection for the display, your switching or triggering. So very cool. This is a great switch box. I really like this. I can't wait to use it on the Jeep. And then check out all the options you got for your stickers for lighting, or for your your switching. So you got numbers, directional, everything, winch, fish box using on a boat, heater, beacon, interior lights, battery isolator, off-road, tons of stuff. So you could cover just about everything off there. Might also work real well on a side-by-side too. This is the other option, but I might get a larger switch box for the Maverick there. So anyways, very cool MICTUNING. This is the 6 gang one. You can see the specs here, 12 and 24 volt. Very cool. Maximum 60 amps. And 720 watts. Right on. Very cool. I'm a fan. Great product. We'll definitely be using this. I'm going to check out some of their others. So right on. Thanks for watching. This thing is pretty cool. So check it out. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you following. See ya.